about to wrap. Last scene of the day, and we're about to. Good morning vlog. So I have some chicken, some zucchini, and some butternut squash. No. Okay, I'm gonna make two. Oh no. Oh gosh.
Obviously, she's using me because I'm the only person in this wouldn't be believable. She's just literally stirring shit. It's wound me up. Who do you believe now? Be honest, because I'll never fucking believe this. But I just think it's proper muggy of her. And now I don't know if she actually is into.
She's done an a bit more confident and a bit more like less worried.
I'm having a snack of popcorn, and not really a snack. It's like 455 calories. This is a meal, but it's not. I did an almond butter and cinnamon tortilla roll. Almond butter. I did an almond butter cinnamon tortilla roll.
I'm just being myself.
Just being Abby. I like. Just.
Grateful, but then some things you see, I'm just like. What if
Oh, you still get that?
who do you find it in a cat dinner? Even if you like on a day.
You know you're doing it.
She's just a bit like
Okay, so now I'm making. So I'm done for the day. I had two of those almond butter cinnamon tortillas. And so I'm done eating for the day. I did a 2-mile walk on that treadmill. And now I'm gonna prep for tomorrow's lunch. I'm gonna do some chicken tendies with some sweet potato and some veggies. Yeah, I'm gonna put the sweet potato first because I learned my lesson the last time. And I poked a bunch of holes, so. And maybe I should cut them in fourths just to be safe. Okay, so I cut those in fourths. I cut up my veggies. And then I'm getting the oven preheated. Okay, and while that is in the oven, I'm gonna take a quick shower, wash my hair really quickly. Okay, yeah.